Every day from my salon, I am at the front row of the industry.
Taking on challenges, I can feel its beat.
My style evolves
while my instinct sharpens.
I push my limits. More than that, I erase them.
For me, success lives in the process.
Rising from the ground, up to the top of my game.
I learn.
Unlearn.
And always give it my all.
To elevate my skills and artistry.
Transforming ideas
into reality.
This is my voice.
My choice.
My vision.
Giving shape to my own personal brand.
Because every time I become more skilled,
More creative.
and more empowered,
I build not only self-confidence,
but a greater version of myself.
and my clients.
Hairdressers.
It's your,
Mine.
our story.
own it,
Write it.
Together,
We create
and live.
Boldly.
Revlon Professional.